Yeah, okay. Now, I'll show you something here. Let me share the screen. So if you go to page number 47, that's 47 or maybe in the book 46 maybe, because the PDF page is a little bit disorganized as from the book. So if you come here, Sana, you see it's written verben mit accusative, right? So whenever there is out of these verbs in a sentence, you have to make that sentence accusative. And in the sentence number 2, the verb is kaufen. Kaufen is called to be an accusative verb. तो जब accusative verb ही है sentence में, then अगर आप object ना भी देखो, then also it will work. You can simply give the reason that ma'am this sentence is accusative because we have an accusative verb here and the accusative verb is kaufen. Right? So having an accusative verb in a sentence also makes the sentence accusative. So either you decide it from the object subject, that's your call. But if you have an accusative verb, then you can just simply look at the verb and say that, ma'am, this is an accusative sentence because we have an accusative verb. तो accusative अगर verb रहेगा तो आपको subject object देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, right? So यहाँ पे this is an accusative subject, it's an accusative such. But that's why T-shirt is your accusative. But then as we know, accusative may doesn't change. Feminine doesn't change. So it's dieses. Right. Then, dry. Ashwin. Antwort bitte. Yeah, Ashwin, you there? Ashwin, bist du here?
Yeah. What is the question?
Nummer drei. Vier B and Nummer drei.
Welke Jacke.
It's not welke, it's Welsche. Yeah. So this is Yaka is feminine, so you have added here Welsche, but this sentence is accusative or nominative, Ashwin?
Accusative.
Because of do, right? Do is a subject here. And to your information, add one more verb to the accusative list of verbs. Finden is also an accusative verb, by the way. Finden is also an accusative verb. So here you have got two reasons for making sentence accusative. पहला तो object है यहाँ पे, which is subject है. Do is a subject here. And moreover, finden is an accusative verb. Okay, then Revati, last one. Sorry, Nummer 4.
Welches.
Welches.
Is new.
Neu, not new, neu.
New.
Okay, so it's a nominative Satz and hence article is das Hemd, so welches Hemd. Okay. Sana, Nummer 4, bitte.
Welche Schuhe meinst du?
Welcher.
Welche.
Welche Schuhe meinst du? Schuhe is plural, so welche Schuhe. Okay, then Nummer 6, Ashwin.
Welche Mantel siehst du an?
Mantel's article is der Mantel and this is an accusative and nominative Satz, Ashwin.
Accusative.
So welcher remains welcher or it will change to welchen?
Oh, so welchen. Yeah.
Yeah, welchen. Okay. Then Nummer 7, Revati.
Welche Hose.
Welche Hose? Die Hose to welche Hose? Okay. Last one, Sana.
Welche Stiefel findest du besser?
Besser. Welche Stiefel? Die Stiefel, so welche Stiefel? Nice. Okay. Then we are jumping back in the book again. Now, like one thing we did here, that's this thing. Yeah, we did this welches and diesen. Now it comes that why do we use dative personal pronouns? Like you see ihnen, right? So why it's a need of ihnen and why do we need to use it? पहले ही हमारे पास z था, फिर हमारे पास We had do and then z, and then what's the need of ihnen, right? So yeah, let's see. We'll be coming here. Yeah. I think. Okay, that's okay. Fine. We'll do one thing. Before that Ihnen part, we have got some participe sent because we did participe in the last class. So again, Ashwin will not be able to understand this because he didn't do participe. Okay. Okay, then I'm not doing this today. Maybe in the last class
No,
I
you
will
can
do
try,
it.
can try.
No problem. But how would you understand it if you have not learned participes? Why?
I
You
might
would be able. You wouldn't.
Okay.
You might have. Okay. Fine. Okay, then if you want to do it, then let's do it. But I think we should.
Okay, we can skip it.
Fine. So let's. What, Ashwin?
I can skip it, no problem.
Okay, fine. But then, wait. I just wanted to do this first. Yeah, I want to do this first. That we can do a little later on. That's a repetitive topic, even though we have got new verbs, but this is a repetitive topic. But we are coming here. This is important, which is the last important topic for this chapter. Now you have got some more personal pronouns, yeah? Mir, dear, ihm, ihr, uns, euch, ihnen, and ihnen, right? So now, if you remember the chapter that we did, I think that was chapter number 6, maybe if I'm not wrong, wherein we did für mich, für dich. Remember? Für mich, für dich, für uns, right? For me, for you. Accusative personal pronomen. You remember or not? Forgotten? What do you think? Mich, dich, uns, für ihn, for the dog, for him, for her. Sana, remember or forgotten? Remember, right? Now it comes a dative and it comes to play. So उस time हमने accusative करा था because we learned a new preposition that was für. तो मैंने कहा था für is an accusative preposition. That's why für के साथ हमें लगाना है accusative. And that's why we learned für mich, für dich, for me, for you, for her, everything. So let's see who remembers. What is for me? If I have to say for me, then how would I say for me?
Für mich.
Für mich. What's for you? What's for you?
Euer.
If I, 9.
Für
That's
dich.
plural, Ashwin. Yeah. That's
Dish.
dish. Yeah. And if I have to say for Revati, the question is to you. If I have to say for you formal, then how would I say it? You formal? Remember? What is the article for you formal? Anybody? For you formal? Yeah.
Ihr.
Yeah. 9 for Z.
Z.
Capital Z. Okay, now Ashwin, for plural you.
Euer.
Euer तो is your, मतलब वो तो possessive article है. That's possessive article, not euer. 9, ear is nominative. Do you remember euch?
Yeah.
That was euch, not euer. Euer is possessive article, Ashwin. When we say our dog, so our is like not exactly our, but your. जैसे हम कहते हैं, this is your car. So if I am denoting two person, that it is Sana and Revati's car, so I would say euer auto. Yeah. Then euch is the pronoun, and that was a possessive article. एक हमारा यहाँ पे pronoun है, दूसरा वाला which shows possession. This is your book. तो your को हम दाइन दाइना बोलते हैं and euer बोलते हैं, and this is dish, z and euch. Tricky, right? Because you haven't practiced enough. Okay, what's for us? Who can say for us? Us is easy.
Uns.
Yeah, very good. For uns. How can we say for them? For
The.
them.
The.
Yeah, very good. For sie. Okay, then how can we say for him?
Uh, sein.
Me. Nine. Sein. Again, Ashwin, you are mixing possessive article. You are mixing his and him both. आपने जो sein बोला वो his है. That is his and her. And him is in. Right. What's for her?
Ear.
Yeah, ear. Good. For her is ear. Okay. So we have done this. So do not mix एक हमारा, remember, possessive article that shows possession. क्या किसका? This is my book. So my अगर होगा तो you would use this das ist mine. But then अगर आप लिखोगे this book is for me, then यहाँ पे you cannot use mine. यहाँ पे होगा das Buch ist für mich. Das Buch ist für mich. So one is the possessive article. This is the possessive article which Ashwin was mixing. And this is personal pronoun. ये personal pronoun है. Do not mix both. Otherwise, you will be,
Excuse
it
me,
will be
ma'am.
khichdi in your head. Yeah, Sana?
I actually again got disconnected. The light went. So can you repeat that the topic I missed?
I was just revising for these personal pronouns, Sana. For him, in. For her, ear. For them, sie. For us, uns. Yeah. And I was telling that possessive article और personal pronoun में difference है. आप दोनों not only you guys, everybody, a lot of people mix both. Sein क्या है? Sein is not a pronoun. Sein is possessive article. Sein मतलब होता है his. लेकिन अगर मुझे बोलना है कि ये जो shirt है, this shirt is for him. तो यहाँ पे him के लिए हम sein use नहीं करेंगे. I would say das Hemd. Hemd is the word for shirt. Ist für, and for him के लिए what pronoun we gonna use? In. Yeah, das Hemd ist für ihn. So in and his. लेकिन अगर मुझे बोलना है this is his shirt. Ashwin, this is for you. So das ist sein Hemd. Now did you clear the meaning of sein and in?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do not mix him or his. दोनों चीज अलग है. Him होता है is a pronoun and his मतलब होता है उसका, which is a possessive article. जब हम किसी के belongings के बारे में बात करते हैं, my car, his car, my book, her book. So that is different. That's possessive. And when we talk about pronoun, that is Mira's car. Or like for example, this is Mira's. So Mira की जगह पे मैं बोलूंगी this is hers. So Mira बन गई her. Mira is a feminine, so I use the pronoun her. So pronoun and possessive article, never mix it. Otherwise, खिचड़ी पकेगा सर में, बहुत गंदा, and you won't be able to handle it. Now we have got the pronoun in dative. But सवाल है कि why do we need to use the pronoun in dative? So the answer to this is that there are some verbs जो हम dative में, जैसे अपने अभी I told you that finden, kaufen, they are all accusative verbs. Similarly, we have got some dative verbs. That's why जब dative verbs की बात आती है, when we use dative verbs in a sentence, then we use the dative pronoun. Yeah. So in order to make this topic a little more clear, otherwise you will mix up everything in your head, I'll send you 2 exercises based on possessive article and one on personal pronoun. So your work is to finish those exercises first. Yeah, and Ashwin, you have got one extra work. You have to finish the participes Y. Yeah.
Okay.
Finish those exercises tomorrow.